Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi if you guys are new here, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today's video is actually a tag video for my friend Jenny, Something Latte here on YouTube. I'll post her picture here as well as her video. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below for you guys. So thank you so much, girl, for tagging me. I'm super excited to do this video because this was something that I had to think long and hard about because I don't have very many bags. This was really hard for me, and I couldn't imagine like her either because she has a lot of handbags. She has like a really big collection, so I wonder how she went through the process. But I had to think about occasion, size, leather or not leather, hardware, and structure. I came down to the conclusion of one bag, but of course not every bag is perfect, right? Like there's always going to be like maybe one or two things like you wish you could change about a bag. I think that's what gets us to go and buy more bags. So even with my smaller collection, it was really hard for me to pick, but the bag that I decided on picking for this video, if I could only have one bag for the rest of my life, okay, I don't know if you guys would be surprised or shocked, but it would be the Alma BB. And this is in the Epi leather in the color black. And I want to say that it was really up to this bag, my Chanel boy bag, and also my Speedy, and also the classic flap. It was really hard for me to decide because I think my boy bag, it seems like it holds a little bit more things more comfortably than my classic flap, because my classic flap is a double flap. And then with the classic flap, it's like the prices keep going up. Like if I could have one bag, like would I regret not having that one, you know? And then the Speedy, it's like a great everyday, throw it all in your bag, you know, over the shoulder, hands free, like, you know, top handle. But it's not really like a night out bag either. And then I was thinking like the Alma BB, it's like, it's a really great night out bag. But for everyday, it might not be like really good for everyday in this combo. But if it was like in the Damier Ben, like it probably would be a better everyday. But you know, it was like everything was just like pros and cons, you know. But I decided in the end the Alma BB would be the one that I would keep for the rest of my life if I had to choose. I was actually going to transfer some of my items into this bag because I decided to, you know, pull it out. And if you guys can hear anything from outside, I have the window open. But yeah, so the Alma BB actually comes with a strap. I'm pretty sure you guys probably seen this if you guys done a lot of research on this bag. So it comes with a little strap. I typically don't use this, but it's nice to carry with you in case you do want to use it. I personally like using it as a top handle. I saw some girl on TikTok use this in a way where she had it like as a shoulder bag, but I think this bag might be a little bit too bulky for me, but let me see. Maybe I'll try it one day. But I thought that was a really unique way to making it into a shoulder bag if it is a little bit too long for you. Maybe I'll wear it like this for the next 2 days, because I usually like wear a bag for like about 2 to 3 days and then I have to switch out. I try to make it so it's like every week it's a different bag, at least for like 1 or 2 days, because I feel like whenever I go for my Speedy, like all my bags are like staring at me like pick me, you know. Or like if I grab my boy bag, they're all just looking at me like, you picked that bag last week, you know. So I tried to like rotate, but the strap tends to hang pretty low because it's a pretty long strap. So we will see how that goes. But the inside is pretty roomy. The opening's not too wide because of the way it's designed. Like you have to pull it all the way down in order to get it to be like a decent opening. I like this bag for a multitude of reasons. The first being is that it's a classic look. It's low-key, you can't really tell like, you know, what brand it is. It's also black, it'll go with everything. I won't have a hard time because I wear mostly like black or dark colors. I like that it comes with a long strap, and then you can wear it as a top handle, and then now you can wear it as a shoulder bag. Well, I'll try, I haven't done it yet, but I can definitely try it and like leave a little comment down here and let you guys know how it was. But it's basically one big hole. I like that it's not black on the inside because then you can kind of like see everything. Just have one pocket, but I just keep the little booklet in here. Sometimes I'll put like a panty liner or something in there, but this is like the information here. Holds a decent amount of stuff. Like I put my keys in here, lotion, oh my god, body lotion. Okay, then my lotion just fell, but it's okay, I have another one here. Lipstick, eyelash wand, my little pill case has my Advil and stuff. in here, and there's still lots of room for my phone and my camera as well. So this is really nice for that, and also like wet wipes. I usually carry wet wipes in here. Do I have like a, yep, I have an extra pack of wet wipes in here. You can either do like this wet wipes or you can do the single-use ones, but if you want to do the bigger one, it definitely fits in here with lots of room left to spare, hair tie, you know, whatever. See, so this I could see myself using every day because it holds enough, and at nighttime it'll be small enough for nighttime. So that's the reason why I picked it. And in terms of hardware, yes, it's silver, but it's not a lot. It's not a lot of stuff in the front, no like clasps or anything that's like very visible. It's just up to personal preference, but for me, I don't mind at all. And I think the price point on this bag is really great for an all leather bag. That's a classic piece. This style has been around for a very long time, and it's, you know, shown time and time again that it's classic. It's a classic design, and it won't ever go out of style, and it'll look good pretty much on anybody, really. They also have like a PM size, is it MM or GM size? They also have like, they used to have a smaller one even too. I don't think they make it anymore, but it comes in different sizes, different leathers. I've done tons of videos on this bag. If you guys want to see those videos, I'll link it down below for you guys. If you hear that little crunching noise, Snow's having his lunch right now, so I hope you guys don't mind. So in my collection, I have a few structure bags and more like soft bags, but I see, you know, from my choices, like if I had to pick a bag for the day or something, I always tend to go for one that's a little bit more structured if I don't do the Speedy, because the Speedy is just, the Speedy is a Speedy, okay? Like, it's just really great for every day. But if I was picking something that's like, oh, I'm gonna go out to eat, or I'm gonna, you know, go hang out with my friends, I typically tend to grab one of my bags that are a little bit more structured. I don't know why. I just really like the structured look more, but I do have like, you know, non-structured bags in my collection as well. If you guys had the Damier Ebene one, I really do feel like that one's really, really great for day to night transition, just because I feel like the brown is a little bit more softer. Do you want to show them how big you got, my boy? You guys want to say hi? You gotten so big. He's gotten so much bigger. Okay, baby, I'll put you down. Anyway, I'm sorry, little sidetracked. And another thing I like about this bag is that it has feet at the bottom of it, so when you set it down, it's not going to scuff the bottom of your bag or scratch it up. There's feet that's holding it up, so that's really nice. The one thing I would say about wearing it crossbody is that it does stick out a little bit because it's so structured, and the shape of it's like, you know, it's just sitting against your body like this basically, right? So it's like against your body like this, so it does poke out a little bit. I do like to wear it in front of me so I could see it, because I don't want anybody like hitting it or scuffing up anything against it. So that's why I like to hold it in the crook of my arm or in my hand like this, you know. But yeah, so that is why the Alma BB would be my #1 choice for a bag that I could wear every day for the rest of my life, that I totally would be okay with. Everything about this bag is really great. I think there's a lot more pros than cons to this bag, but I did mention in my Get Ready With Me that if you have like a really big item that's in here, yeah, it's gonna fit, but because of the way it's tapering upward, that's why it's gonna be so hard to get it in and out. All right, for example, like something like this. So because it's so big, you have to like go like this and then this, because you can't just like put it straight down. I don't know why, it's just like not easy to put it straight down like that. So you have to like kind of maneuver it in a way to get in there comfortably. Like it fits, but then you have to be, you know, a little bit more patient when you're pulling it out, because it is a long piece. And now if you imagine like something that's about this long and that's also tall, that's going to be even like harder because the opening isn't too wide either. So that's just something to like think about with this bag when you're stuffing it. It's just to, you know, maybe be careful with what you're putting in it. I personally don't think it's worth carrying multiple pouches in. I just like everything just free flowing in here, because it's not too bad to look for, especially since the lining is not black. So you can see everything in here really well. Like, as you can see. Yeah, that's pretty much it to this video, and as to why this would be the bag that I would go to for the rest of my life if I had to choose. And thank you so much, Jenny, for tagging me. I will tag a few people as well. If you guys want to check out her video, please check the description box, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.